How to buy a stock or share on Trading 212. Just follow these easy steps and surely you can buy stocks or shares after. 1. Select the shares you want to buy. On the Trading 212 homepage, you'll see a default watch list featuring major stocks. You can customize this list by adding the companies you're interested in. Stocks can be filtered by top winners and top losers or searched using the search icon. Additional categories include most traded, bought, or sold stocks, industry type, and companies with upcoming earnings reports. This page lets you track a stock's price history and see user discussions on Trading 212. You can also view its 24-hour and 52-week price range, key metrics, and set price alerts for notifications on price changes. 2. Here to buy and place an order. Trading 212 allows fractional stock purchases, so you don't need to buy a full share. Use the sliding scale to set your investment amount, enter a value manually, or switch to a shares mode if you know the exact number you want to buy. After selecting the order type, number of shares, and 24/5 trading option, review the details and click Send by Order to confirm. You'll get a notification once the order is filled, and that's it. You've successfully bought a share on Trading 212. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.